have developed an Android application on Biodiversity Park for Kurneshwar, Devsthan, Satara. This application gives clear idea to user about the lush greenery and rich biodiversity at Kurneshwar. First, you have to install our application in your mobile and then click open. As you can see, there are two options, one for a guest, one for admin. After clicking on admin, it goes to next screen where admin have to enter login details. After entering correct credentials, it will goes to next screen where we have provided sidebar with two options. After clicking the first option, it goes to the next screen and there are again three options, visitors report, sales reports and back button. When admin clicks visitors report option, it displays a form. Admin have to fill this form with required details like name, address, fee, mobile number, and when admin clicks submit button, the data will goes to the database and clear button will erase the form. Same for sales report. Then the next is view report. Admin can see generated reports in an app easily. After clicking on a show report, it will display data entered by admin. And again, when the admin clicks on the back button, it will goes to the first screen. That's all about admin side. Now when user clicks on guest button, it will goes to next screen. Here we are provided short introduction about the nature conservation project with slideshow of images. After clicking next button, it will displays menu. Now after clicking on a flora, it will shows three options, plants, medicinal plants and rare plants. When user clicks the plant button, it goes to next screen where we have provided plant's name with images. Marathi name of plant will displays the information in Marathi and English name of plant will displays the information in English. Hence it's user friendly. Next option is festival guide where user can get information of plants which are required during specific festival. Next is a shopping cart through which user can place order. After clicking on a buy now, it will displays the total cost and user have to fill the form to confirm the order. Next is help desk where user have to fill the form to contact admin for any queries. Next one is donate us. Here if user wants to donate money, they can simply click on donate us button which displays the form with donation details. And if user wants to donate plants on their special moments, then they can simply click contact us button where we have provided contact numbers of committee members. User have to click the dial icon which will redirect to dial pad. Next is a gallery with some photos of biodiversity park, and at the last when user clicks exit button, it will goes to home screen. That's all about our system. Thank you.